Hello. Hi. This is a video showing off my entire collection. I've been trying to make this video for a long time, but I keep forgetting. Without further ado, let's get into this. Here in the exotic lands of my bedroom, we have a Hoover Wind Tunnel Deluxe, Sears exclusive, electric dirt finder, and electric bag check. Back there, a Eureka Ready Force bagged canister. Yeah. And then right there we have a little Eureka Rapid Step or Rapid Clean Step. I don't know. Something like that. Moving literally just across the hallway is a Eureka the Boss Mighty Might. Yeah, 9 amp version. That's not mine. That is my mom's. Coming down to where carpet is the dirtiest, we have a Eureka high filtration commercial. I know how to English. Yeah, Eureka high filtration commercial, the heavy duty. I tried calling it the Boss once, but I just realized, hey, it's not a Boss. Yeah. Dirt Devil Plus in green. This thing honestly looks like candy, but don't eat it. It's not edible. That's a bare floor attachment to a Eureka or some sort. I forgot my dogs are outside. Over here is Abyssal Clean View Rewind with triple action brush roll. I'm trying to get rid of these two, and next to it's a purple Eureka Maxima, the newer ones. The ones are okay-ish compared to the other ones, the not so supreme ones. That is a bagged Dirt Devil Featherlight that I used as a shop vac because it's bagged and less dust gets in the air with it. And then next to it's the Kirby G4 I haven't touched in 2 years because the Brachycam's worn out and I hate Kirby's. In the lands of the basement, we have my current daily driver, this Eureka the Boss SE Bagless wide track. In this room, which is just a placeholder, I have a Shark Rocket True Pet that I'm getting rid of. Hoover Air Lift that I'm also getting rid of. The person who bought it should be picking it up tomorrow. And a Dirt Devil VersaVac that I'll also be, you guessed it, getting rid of. Over here, underneath the 6-string of meh, is a Hoover Wind Tunnel Plus with the old base cover and a newer style bag door. You can tell because the Plus is not gold. Next to that's a Hoover Whole House I just cleaned up not too long ago. Yeah. Moving in to the room of a dog's nightmare, we have a Hoover Air Pro that doesn't have a brush roll, a Dyson UP16 Slim Ball Origin, a Eureka Optima, parts to a Maxima with one of the bottom open dustbins. For some reason my camera hates focusing right now. There's a Eureka Super Broom and a Quick Up stashed behind there, but you can't see it because lights. Here is my 1974 Eureka Vanguard box top with a cord away. Next to that, first vacuum I've ever had, Abyssal Power Force Compact 23Y7, I don't remember. This is like 23T something. I genuinely can't remember the model numbers. This is one of the old ones. After the Easy Vac. I can tell you that. Back there is nothing but the shell of a 3522-5. The vacuum that I expected to do better, but it didn't. Here we have a 05, a later 05 Eureka Maxima 4700A with a high adjustment. Engine 9 sounds angry. Here we have what is currently in 1.5 million pieces. A Dyson Dc65 Animal Total Clean that I'm going to be also getting rid of. Over here, Black & Decker stick vac sort of thing. Eureka airspeed bagless. Well, airspeed bagless parts on a ABS chassis, basically. Org XL something Sealock hypoallergenic. I need to see the commutator on that because it sparks like mad. Nothing but the mere shell of an Oric XL Classic. I screwed up the motor because I'm stupid. Eureka Smart Vac Victory that has the traditional Victory vacuum problems. The motor is screwy. Phantom Twister bagless. Man, they're just going crazy out there with lights and sirens. Phantom Twister bagless. Hoover Rewind. Modern Elite Rewind. Hoover Nano Cyclonic that still needs to be refurbed and stuff. Simplicity Century 3 commercial. Eureka Excalibur. I absolutely hate working on this thing because no matter what I do to it, it always sounds like an earthquake when I turn it on carpet mode. Hoover 1 Tunnel Max. Laundry basket full of DC-07 parts that came off that 107 animal that turned into liquid glass. Hoover Breathe Easy. I think that's what this is. Yeah, the original motor is on there. I gotta shorten the shaft that one of the bearings sits on a couple of thousandths of an inch so that I can actually fit on miscellaneous vacuum parts, 2 Maxima dirt bins, TriStar CXL. I like this. Eureka the Boss Smart Vac, a modern version, like 4700 AZ-B1 or something like that. Another Eureka Super Broom, a classic Eureka Maxima. Simplicity S24L canister thing. Something's wrong with the wand on that thing. Hoover Soft and Light, that's in 500 billion pieces because the original motor for that's in there. When I realized that, oh hey, the shafts for these are different lengths. Filter Queen something, I don't remember. It's like LX34. I don't know. Bissell Pet Hair Eraser. Bissell, I think that actually might be worth something. Eureka the Boss Smart Vac earlier model, 4700, 4780, something like that. I don't know. I don't remember my model numbers except for that one, which is a Recaro N2000 that has no good motor bearings. Kirby Ultimate G Diamond Edition. Kirby Ultimate G. Bissell Power Force Bagless 6584. Just regular 6584. Hoover Elite 350. Dyson DC40 Origin. Red Dirt Devil Vision Swivel Glide. MVP. Hoover Elite Rewind. Dirt Devil Breeze Bagless modern version before they switched over to the Cyclonic one. Shark Navigator Liftaway, the original one. Bissell Heavy Duty, the Healthy Home style. Dirt Devil Swivel Glide Ultra. Dyson DC07 Animal from 2007. It was manufactured just a couple of days after I was born. 1990 something. Hoover Encore Supreme Soft and Light. Bissell Power Force Bagless 6579-2 with the motor of the 3522 slapped inside. Eureka Self-Propel, it was like 1212 I think is the model number. The rare versions. Royal from the 90s. It's an anniversary edition, that's all I know. Dyson Dc65 all floors. Bissell lift-off multicyclonic with a different motor in it because I broke the old one. DC14 all floors. Needs a new clutch. That's why there's one that's taken apart right there, so I can rebuild it. Sharp Twin Energy Pure Power. Cheaper Ricard, cheaper Panasonic. Bissell Clean View Rewind Pet. It's not that bad. Hoover Wind Tunnel Supreme, that's basically been broken apart for spares and stuff like that. And Eureka Whirlwind Bagless, that has the same problem as the Smart Vac, because motor bearings do not like to fit on those motors. And Dyson Dc65, where the brushful is not making contact, so it will not spin. But I hope to get this fixed soon, and that fixed soon. But yeah, I think that's about everything. Yeah. Well, anyways, that's my collection of house cleaning stuff. Yeah. Thanks for watching.